Take a ride in the 2018 GMC Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway miles per gallon is not bad either, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, front-wheel drive, HID headlights, tire pressure monitor, four-wheel disc brakes. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.